Good day, teachers and classmates. Welcome to our video tutorial about one of the most well-loved Filipino dishes, adobo recipe. In this video, we will show you how to prepare and cook this traditional recipe that represents the rich flavors and culture of the Philippines. We'll be guiding you step by step from preparing the ingredients, marinating the meat, and up to serving the finished dish. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we take you on a flavorful journey with our Filipino adobo recipe.
This is our code for Filipino adobo recipe website. It includes the background, text color, and scheme.
This is our output for adobo recipe. And the next view is the step-by-step procedure for making adobo recipe.
And lastly, click the finish cooking and then ready to serve your adobo.